How to invest $1,000. Hey, I'm Angela Lin, international best-selling author. You're going to learn how to invest. I'm going to share with you 4 ways to do that, to make your money grow. I'll share with you what I wish somebody had told me 12 years ago when I first started investing. Make sure you watch to the end of this video to get my free checklist that will give you the 4 ways to invest your $1,000 and make it grow to up to $1 million. Now let's get into the 4 ways. First, investing in the stock market. But guess what? Most of the financial professionals can't do better than you or a monkey in terms of getting consistent returns. 96% of mutual funds actually never beat the market. And the market's something general like the S&P 500 stock index. According to Delbar, one of the leading industry research firms, over 20 years from 1993 until 2013, the S&P 500 returned almost 4 times as much as just the average mutual fund investor. So what do you do instead? You can invest in some mutual funds. 4% can beat the market, or ETFs or index funds, where you don't have to pick that perfect stock. You can own 50 or 500 of the biggest and best companies. You don't have to know when it's time to buy and sell and spend all that time and effort trying to research all these companies. I got an average annual return of over 18% per year for the past 5 years since I started investing in ETFs and index funds for my stock market portfolio. I'll show you 2 investment plans and you can decide which one works better for you. Each of these investment plans will have only 2 investments. I'll be doing a separate video for each of these and posting the links in the description below. If you think this is your ticket to get rich quick, it is not. It's important to leave your money invested in the long term to truly get the benefits of making your money grow and grow at an even faster rate, like a snowball, so that you can live life on your terms. Second, investing in your own business or side hustle. Business that will continue to make you money over your lifetime. If you've ever had that desire to be your own boss, or just to have another source of income in case you get laid off and still survive, or if you want to travel lots but still make money from anywhere in the world, which I've done, it doesn't need to be a business full-time right away. It can just start out as a side hustle or side business, which is how I got started. I've definitely had my share of failing and succeeding in businesses, and my first business was a complete fail. I only made $20 for a whole year. $20! Since then, I've used that and learned from it to grow my second business, which was also started for less than $1,000. But now I've been featured on NBC, ABC, CBS, CW, Fox, and I've helped hundreds of small business owners around the world to grow their sales and grow their prospects through social media, mainly LinkedIn. It's not hard to start a business. You need a domain name, an email, a hosting site, and more importantly, what are you going to sell? Because until you get that first paying customer or client, then you don't have a business. You have a nonprofit. So instead of trying to spend all that time designing your business card or making everything look just perfect on your website, come up with how you can add the most value to your customer in a way that's a bit different. Bring in your own personality and then just start selling. And if you're like, ooh, I don't know if my product or service is ready just yet, it's okay. It doesn't need to be perfect. The goal is to at least get something out into the market, sell it, and then you can revise it to make it a better version. It's most important to get you a paying customer or client first. That's how you start getting into business, and that's how you can grow from there. Third, invest in yourself. Yeah, yourself. Woo! Even the people who are super successful or rich, and I met them, I chatted with them, people who sold their business for more than $100 million, they constantly challenge themselves to get better. There are lots of successful or rich people in life, and if you want to get to where they are, they've written books, gotten interviewed, or created courses that can show you the roadmap of how to avoid the mistakes and struggles that they went through, how to overcome that, and reach those success steps that really take them to where they are right now. Whether you like to learn by reading or listening or watching videos or going through classes, here's the mistake I want you to avoid. I used to read a lot of books, watch a lot of videos, listen to podcasts. I spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and conferences, constantly learning and learning and learning. But then I would just get overwhelmed with all this info and not know what to do, not know what step to take next. Just be like, nope, not doing anything. And what I've learned from multimillionaires that I met, they'll just look for that one thing, that one idea that can make the biggest difference in your life. What is that? So the next time that you're reading or listening or watching or attending a class, then just take that one idea and do it in your life. And don't go learning all this other stuff until you finish implementing it, or at least started to implement it. Remember, action equals results to help you grow. No action equals no change, and you'll just be stuck where you are. Fourth, investing in a coach. This can be in any area of your life that you want to get better in. Physically, financially, emotionally. I spent tens of thousands of dollars on coaches. Some were great and some not so great. Before you get coaching, you need to figure out exactly what you want out of it. What is that outcome that you want so that your coach can take you there? They can give you direction and steps and all of that. If you will need somebody to hold you accountable so that you'll actually get things done, I know I do, kept on making excuses, It's like, oh, I didn't have time to do this. Oh, yeah, no, that was too hard. But when I got a coach, the coach is like, Angela, you know you can do this. You know you're better than this. Just do it. And I'll actually get things done. Ensure that you ask for references before you get these coaches. It's just like how when you get a job, your potential employer will ask you for references before they hire you. Same thing, before you hire a coach, ask for at least 3 references, and preferably people, their clients, who have been in the same situation that you are in right now, so that you can ask them, how does it feel to be working with that coach? Are they actually good? I want you to post in the comments below as to what are you most excited about for investing your $1,000. Is it the stock market, your own business, yourself, or getting a coach? Post in the comments below and let me know. And also post in the comments of your biggest questions about how to invest. Post them, and then I can create videos to answer them for you. If you like this video, click below to subscribe, and make sure to get your free checklist of how to invest your $1,000 and grow it to $1 million. You can get the link below this video so that you can take action and start getting results. Until the next video, thank you so much for watching, and here's to you living life on your terms.
I feel wind, I feel rain, I feel rain! I feel like I'm getting rained on.